Love to see you shine in the night like the diamond you are. Yeah. I'm good on this side, it's alright, just hold me in the dark. Oh, no one's gotta know what we do, hit me up.
Hi, so welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Arielle. This is my first video of 2019. Can you believe it is 2019? That is so crazy. But yeah, this is my first video of 2019, so I'm excited about it. So today's video, I just did my makeup and curled my hair. I showed how I curled my hair in the video. My hair has a lot of volume, has some layers. I did my hair myself. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Yeah, so I showed how I showed my makeup, and I showed how to curl my hair. So if you are interested in this video, because you know what, I said let me start off the year with the makeup video, because I got a lot of comments like, girl, when you're getting back to the makeup, oh, we love you for your makeup, we like just all that type of stuff. So I'm like, okay, let me start off the year doing some makeup in here. So that's what I did. If you like this video, you want to see more videos like this or whatever it is, let me know in the comment. Oh, look at this here. Let me know in the comment section. Do me a favor, because I'm trying to grow. We are manifesting on my channel this year in 2019. We are growing. So what my mind just went blank. So yeah, we're manifesting all 2019, everything. So I want to grow my channel. I'm going to be very consistent. I started off being I ended the year being consistent. So this year I'm going to be consistent all the way through. So help me grow my channel, help me get out great content to you all. Let me know what you want to see. I am bringing out the good videos all 2019. We're in a different area. If you usually watch my videos, I am in my sister's room because I wanted to use natural lighting today. So let me know if you all like the natural lighting too, because that's what I used. I'm sitting in front of a big window. I didn't use a ring light or softbox lights today. So let me know if you like that. Don't forget, y'all, my hair is just so pretty. Let me know if you want a like detailed video about this hair, because I just showed me curling it, but you know, it's probably going to be sped up. So just let me know. But anyway, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, I sound like I can't talk. If you're watching this and you aren't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and if you're watching this and you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload videos. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. It's just a simple glam video, simple, just neutral. Well, no, I put a little rose gold on my eye, nude, neutral lip, highlight, contour, you know, just the works, girl. Get into it.
Pinged up cooking.